Hey everyone, we are back in the garage for another update video on my garage fire alarm system. A lot of changes recently, well a lot of updates, I should say. We have a pull station here. This was a recent addition. And by recent I mean today. Just a regular BG12, and then we have a Silent Night SD500-MIM module behind it. One of the miniature ones that fit in a box. I do not have the smoke detectors in this room yet done. It's gonna be a pain getting through the ceiling because there's plywood directly above it, and I really can't decide how to get it through the attic. So that's on hold for a little bit, but I'm also waiting for parts anyway. My area is still a mess with fire alarm stuff everywhere, but we have, I think I showed you this last time, I'm not sure. This is a Siemens branded Wheelock speaker strobe LED, which is pretty nice. Does the job. We have our emergency light. We have a Silent Night branded BG12S, I believe, the single action, if I can open it up. No, it actually used to be a adjustable pull station for a different protocol, but that's what that, you can see right there, that's what it used to be. But we also have a MIM module behind this. So that's doing that. That's point 2. We have the security system, same thing. One cool thing about the security system is that I have the garage contact put up, so if I open that door, it would let you know the garage door's open. In here I have a Gentex speaker strobe, which is actually a ceiling mounted speaker strobe, hence the fire lettering upside down. But that's all I had, and I thought it looked nice, and I'm not trying to get the system state certified, so it'll do the job. But it looks great. I got it at a convention a couple years ago, and I'm very, very happy to actually use it in the system now. Still waiting to figure out how I'm gonna get this detector installed. I don't want to put it on the wall if I don't have to, but if I have to, I'm sure it'll be okay. Just not ideal. We have this, which is coming from the attic. This is going to be a monitor module. Just playing around with some. This will be monitoring the weather radio. This is just an SLC splice. No T-tapping, just I have the module taken out of service, which is why I needed to have the wire nuts. And we follow this conduit, goes up, across, and into the SD505-APS photoelectric detector with a sounder base, which is pretty cool. I don't know why it's all dirty, but yeah. It's gonna be my new amateur radio room. Ham shack, as you like to call it that. Going back down. Okay, so now we're in the panel room. Still have buckets of paint for some reason. We have the circuit breaker panel. This is us right here. And just tidied up the security panel a little bit. We have 3 zones now. I changed this to a 4-wire i3. The reason why I did that, the panel's in trouble now. Reason why I did that is because it would have cost me $50 for a 2-wire module, which I did not want to have to pay that much money for. So instead, I just put a regular module in it, and it does the job. You can see some of the wiring that goes up. A little bit of a mess, but does the job. So first, this is the Knack booster panel. It's a Silent Night 5496 full output panel. A little bit of a mess. I'm still working out the bugs with this voice evac module, which is why it's not really secured in here, but we have 2 Knacks, and then we have power, resettable power going to this. So the way I have this is that this will play the audio loop for like 20 minutes or so. And then when I silence on the panel, it actually cuts off the Knack, so that's how it silences. And so if there's a re-alarm, it'll re-enable the Knack, and then this will play instantly. So that's what's in this panel. You see all the wiring going into it. The key. The main panel, we have batteries. I can show you that. If we turn this one off, you can hear the transformer. Listen to it. So now I'm on battery power. This is going to be a relay module. model ST500-ARM, and this will be triggering excuse me, a relay for the weather alert feature, which is for that module upstairs. What else? We have relay contacts on this side, aux pab right here. I haven't used that Knack yet. And then we have the SLC out. And since the SLC loop is not done, when it is done, I'm gonna have SLC in as well, so it's a Class A wiring loop, which is pretty cool. This is just when I get this module installed for the CO detector. And I don't really know where to put it, but I do want to show you guys a little demo of the system. It's been too long since I made a video. Back from college, but here we go. 3, 2, 1.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please evacuate using the nearest exit and leave the building. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please evacuate using the nearest exit and leave.
So your relay just clicked, turned off the voice module, reset the pulse station. Strobes are still going off, and we can reset the system. And there we go. That's it. This is not a full system test, obviously. More tweaks I have to iron out, but pretty happy how it is so far. Turn the paddle back on. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day.